Alright everyone, we're here at the Macy store in downtown Chicago, and check this out. We've got some old looking elevators, but this isn't so awesome. Look at that bell, or that indicator. That is pretty sweet. I keep talking because of the music playing, but not a big fan of these buttons. Oh, I've ridden this one before. Let's see, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We can go up to 7. Here at 7. Let's see, wow, look at these buttons. LL. Let's look at the cab. Oh. We are going up. I've lost focus. All the way to 12. Let's see if someone's getting in. Okay, well, we did get a ride up to 12. That was weird. I love that bell, it's epic. I think we were up on, I guess LL was where I started, I think. Yeah, I did, because I came in from the pedway. And here are LL. But yeah, those are some epic elevators, those are neat, but there it goes, and that'll be it.